we love it now. Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash can. Something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream. This is Halloween, red and black,
And slimy green.
aren't you scared?
Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice. Take a chance and roll the dice. Fly to the moon in the dead of night.
Everybody scream. God's
You think flattery will keep you alive? No, indeed. You seem familiar with my name, but I don't remember smelling your kind before. Who are you, and where do you come from? May
Who's got the cutest pet on the internet? I have this one, so cute.
Look at it's freaking bats. I love Halloween. Look at it's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me, quick jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on the bar, have a nigga running me, talk your shit, bite your lip, ask for a call while you ride that dick. You really ain't never got him fucking for a thing. You already.
Look at the costume. Oh no, you could be Spider-Man. Spider-Cat, Spider-Cat. He's a cat who is a Spider-Man. So if you wanted to wear a dress, you're such a pretty princess. Are you comfortable in your dress? You can be a boy, a girl, or a cat and wear a dress. You want to try being a unicorn? Unicorn. Oh, if you wear this, you have 2 ears. You can have 2 ears for Halloween. What do you think of that, Uno? He's like, I hate you, but I love you. Do you want to be a taco? You're such a cute little taco. You're like, I don't want to talk about it. But you look delicious. Uno, stop being a weenie. You're going to be a hot dog. Uno, are you a little weenie? Uno, do you want to be a pumpkin? Be a little pumpkin. Uno, do you not like this one? You're like, no, I don't. Usually you're a good pet, but for Halloween, do you want to be a bad pet? I'm the bad pet. Oh no, he's trying to escape. The bad pet's trying to escape out the door. You want to try being a pineapple? Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Uno, you're such a cute little pineapple. Uno and I talked about it and we decided to get the taco. You cool with that, Uno? Yeah, he's cool with that. All right, Uno, let's go pay. Uno's getting scanned. Oh, and butt scratchies. This is Uno at home with his taco costume. He likes it so much he's wearing it at home. It's a taco to go! It's a taco to go!